What's the meaning of coypu? Coypu. Coypu.
Coypu. Coypu. A coypu, also known as a nutria, is a large semi-aquatic rodent native to South America. It has been introduced to other parts of the world, including North America and Europe, and is considered an invasive species in many areas. Coypus have webbed feet and can swim well, making them well adapted to life in wetlands. They are herbivores and feed on a variety of plants, which can sometimes cause damage to crops. Overall, coypus play an important role in their native ecosystems, but can also have negative impacts when introduced to new areas.